Hey guys, it's Holly and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be just getting ready for the big day out, which is a big gay celebration that's open to the public for anyone that's queer and any supporters of the LGBTQ community. It's just a really fun day out. I actually haven't been before, so I'm really excited to go. So I thought that I would just film a quick little get ready with me to show you how I did this makeup look. I actually got inspiration from someone on Pinterest for this look, so I will show you the page that I found it on. I don't know if she's the original creator of this look. I mean, it's just a rainbow flower, so I don't know, but I really like it and I think this is very fitting for today's festivities. Yeah, I'll show you how I curled my hair as well and all that and did my makeup. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, I wasn't planning on speaking in this video, but I thought I might just explain what's happening with my hair because I look like I just woke up in like the 60s. Basically, I don't use heat on my hair. I don't even blow dry it. I will only, like, I don't even have hot showers. Like, I just don't use heat on my hair at all. But I wanted to have curls in my hair today, and so last night at like midnight I was in the lounge by myself watching Criminal Minds and decided I would cut up an old t-shirt and create some wrap curls. So the reason I know how to do these is when I was a kid I did ballet and we quite often would need ringlets, so these are actually quite big chunks of hair. When we'd do ringlets when we were little, we would use literally like that much in every ringlet, which is like nothing. So we'd have a ballet show, and then that night at like, we'd come in like 10, we'd be like 6 or 7, so it'd be really little, and then my mum would spend like an hour putting rags in my hair, and then I would wear my hair like this to school the next day and sleep in it, and then by the time of the show that night you'd take your hair out and you wouldn't brush out the curls or anything, and they would just be like full ringlets. So I haven't done this since I did ballet. Like, it's been a very long time, and it's done very messy because I didn't use a mirror. I just did it while I was watching TV. But I thought that there'd be something different to do with my hair, and it means I don't have to use heat. I don't know why I'm super like against using heat on my hair. I don't think I've used heat on my hair in like 2 years, so I wasn't gonna start now. And also because of like the event today, it is a bit wacky and crazy, so if my hair turned out looking really bad, I didn't really mind. But yeah, if you want like a full tutorial on how this is done properly, I'm sure you can find one, or I can make you one myself. But yeah, this is the first time I've done it in over 10 years. But yeah, I like it this way as well, rather than using like rollers that you would roll your hair up into, because I find those super uncomfortable to sleep in, whereas this is just like little bits of fabric and you don't really feel it at all. So I just found that was a lot easier. And also like with rags and stuff, I always just keep them and I can use them again and again and again if I need to. Not that this is something I do often, but sometimes it's fun to change up your hair. So yeah, I'm just going to take the rest of this out. hope you enjoyed this little get ready with me, and I hope you like the finished product of my makeup. I had a lot of fun filming this. I love doing bright, colourful makeup, and I had to control myself so much because I'm so good at going a little too far over the top where things start looking gross and awful. So I'm glad I just kind of did what I envisioned and didn't add anything extra that could have made it look really bad. But yes, this is a look that I am going to be wearing today, and I'm super excited about it, and yeah. Okay. Smile, be safe, and stay beautiful, and I'll see you in my next video. Adios.